Do you have a very short time for lunch and you have a griddle? Well, this is just what you need to make yourself. Some shrimp quesadillas. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We haven't busted out our Blackstone griddle in a while, but today it is the perfect implement for what I'm craving. We're gonna make some shrimp quesadillas. Let's get it going. First of all, I've got the Blackstone down on its lowest heat setting. After warming it up, we're gonna melt some butter. Now, dear friends, I'm not gonna say amounts today. It's in the recipe, which you'll find down below in the description section. There's a link. Take you right to galleyofthesun.com where you'll find the full recipe. Now that butter's well on its way, on goes our shrimp. And we'll season that shrimp with some of Spiceology's smoked chipotle mezcal blend. Great stuff. As soon as those shrimp are done, you want to pull them off the heat. We don't want overcooked rubbery shrimp. Now we give the griddle a good scrape down. Get that excess butter off of there. And we start building those quesadillas. Due to the size of my tortillas, I'm going to make 2 at a time. First, I'm going to hit the griddle with some annatto oil or achiote oil. Achiote oil. Comes from annatto seeds, made it myself. It's very easy. There's a link down below to take you to the video. We get our tortillas down, and then we cheese half of them with some Chihuahua cheese. This stuff melts excellent. Next goes our shrimp. Get those evenly distributed. Then we lay down a layer of pico de gallo. I cheated and went with the pre-made stuff from the grocery store. Then goes 2 of my favorite cremosas, both from Cholulas, the cilantro lime and the chipotle. Then another layer of cheese, and I'm going with this blend of Chihuahua, Oaxaca, and Cojita. Now we give them the fold. And that side has been on the griddle quite a while. That cheese is good, so then we'll flip. All right, and that's it. Now I just need to make sure the cheese is melted. So I'll get these finished up, cut up, and then we'll be back for my judgment. All right, got them all done and cut up, so let's give them a try. Unfortunately, I'm left to my own devices today. I have no judge, so you'll have to believe me. It's on the internet where everything is true. Oh. Okay, of course, if you're making shrimp quesadillas, don't skip the shrimp. But I'm telling you, the pico de gallo and those cremosas, the way those flavors complement each other, oh, absolutely amazing. So there you go. Quick lunch, time to get back to work. So I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and falling seas.